Hello and welcome to Unboxed English, where learning English isn't boring, it's unboxed. We are all about helping you learn, speak, and express confidently and naturally. If you have ever wanted to speak more clearly, write like a pro, or just feel at ease using English in everyday life, this is the place for you. It's not about sounding perfect, it's about expressing yourself in English in a way that feels true to you. You will find quick tips, helpful tools, and bite-sized insights you can use right away, all unboxed in a way that is simple and real. Sometimes we'll keep it light, other times we'll dig a little deeper. This is more than a channel, it's a growing space for anyone who wants to explore English in a fresh, expressive way. A little learning, a little creativity, and a whole lot of curiosity is what we require. So if that sounds like something you would enjoy, hit that subscribe button and let's start unboxing English together. Thank you.